Howdy! How's everybody out there in YouTube land today? I hope this finds you feeling well and having a wonderful day. I got a package in the mail, and this is from Klingspor. It's something that I ordered the other day from them, and I thought I'd do an unboxing on this. All I have done is cut the tape so that I can get the box open, and I blacked out the address there on the top of the box. But let's open this up and see what we got here. Well, they packed it good. It got some brown paper in there. I'll use that in some of my crafting. I'll lay that off to the side here. And then we got a package in here. And underneath that looks like they put the invoice. And let's see here. Yep, it's the wood burning kit that I ordered. My other one is starting to get old on me, so I decided that I better buy me another one. And it looks like they got this wrapped up pretty good, and it comes with the operating instructions here for it. This is going to be a variable temperature. It's got a temperature control on it. It's got a warranty on it, and got all the instructions. Talks about the tip and how to hook everything up on it, connectors and all. Let's take a look at this here, see what all we got in this box. There's the tips. Now these plug and unplug, so they're going to be a lot easier to use than the ones that unscrewed on the other one. And then there's the rod that you hold on to, pencil grip or whatever you want to call it. And then this is the little doodad that pulls those hot ones out, and you can put the cool ones into it. And another little doodad for it, and another tip. This will allow me to do a little more detail work than what I had been doing with that other one too. These are going to be a little more precise type tips. And let's see here, I'm going to need, I think, to find my cutting device. Cut some tape off of this. They got it wrapped up nice. But yes, this is from Klingspor, and I will put the URL to their site there in the description. I'd heard about Klingspor from a friend of mine, Russ Clarity, over on Simply Wooden Creations. Let's get the bubble wrap off of it. This is the device here that you use for the variable temperature to get your shading and all that on there. That looks nice. There's the little plug that goes to the pin, and there's the plug that goes to the electrical outlet. Looks good. So I think they did a mighty fine job on this, sending this to me. And you can check them out there in the description of this video. So I hope you enjoyed this episode showing you about this wood burning device, and I'll be showing you how to use it here before long. So I'm going to be doing some burning projects on wood and leather and all kinds of things. So with all that being said, remember, Brenda's crafty. Be like Brenda.